good food lovers. Are you one of us? If you are one, come into Delicious Kitchen with me. Let me share the secret with you. You're gonna love it. Hello lovelies, happy to have you all here today on my channel. Guys, I brought you this special stew. I've told you about it, but make sure you watch this up to the end so that you don't miss any part of it. It's a must try for every woman. Make this for your husband and he will not go anywhere again. Hey Omo, let's get it started. What I have here are my tomatoes and bell pepper tatashe. They are well washed already. So now I'm adding onions into it, and I'm adding locust beans. Yes, Iru locust beans. Add it into it as well. And now I'm adding ginger roots. Add it, and now my garlic as well. Add it into it. Add some water just for easy blending. Now blend everything together until smooth. Shout out to ABD Merciful. Thank you for always supporting my videos. Thank you so much. God bless you. So guys, after blending, pour it into a pot. Add just teaspoonful of palm oil into it, or vegetable oil, but I used palm oil, guys. Now bring it to boil under low heat for 50 minutes to 60 minutes under low heat. This is what I have. You can see the water has really reduced and it did not get burnt. So I love this consistency, guys. So now get a pot, pour your palm oil into it, add some sliced onions and fry for about 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, get the boiled tomato mix and add into the palm oil. Guys, don't miss it or watch up to the end. You're going to thank me later. Add the meat stock you'll be using. Check the comment section, you see how I prepare that meat stock. I've added the seasoning cube. I'm adding thyme, now curry and chili powder. I did not use habanero pepper. You can use habanero pepper if you have it, but I used chili powder. Now add some salt into it and then give it a good stir again. And at this stage, now cover and boil for about 15 minutes. Okay, under low heat. Don't forget to be opening occasionally and be stirring, all right? Because this is well boiled already, and now the ingredients and the tomato mix and palm oil are now together as well. I'm using goat's meat. This is boiled goat's meat. You all know how I boiled my meat. And I'll be using this special roasted meat. You need to see how I made this. If you know tinko, this is similar to tinko. You just need to try this. Women, you need to try this tinko. I'm going to edit it and I will upload it soon. So after adding the meat to be using into it, stir everything together. You can see how your meat looks already. We are not done, okay? But they still need to know each other. We've just added beef and chicken and everything into it now. Now cover it and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, after that, give it a good stir. Don't stop now. Please continue to watch. What are you going to rock with this? If you prepare this, what are you going to eat it with? Let me know in the comment section. It's now time to taste for salt, okay? Now it's time to adjust salt if you need to, but this is super perfect. Can you see how yummy it looks? Side chick, please don't prepare it for another woman's husband. Women, prepare this for your husband. If you don't love, you won't go anywhere. This is a must try for everyone. And guys, guess what? Wait for it. You see I'm rocking mine. Yeah, I'm rocking this with laughing. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you next time.